welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop. What's your name? Last month I painted Whitby for our lovely friend Jan. Hello Jan. And for her, she wanted Whitby and she couldn't decide whether to get one painting or another to go with her lovely rug in her living room or dining room or somewhere it was. So we painted the first one and today will be the second painting because she wants to mix and match and put things up, and as the year rolls by maybe she feels like she wants to put a different painting up. And each one will go with the rug in a different way. The first one really went with the rug. This one's nearly almost like going with the rug. But, you know, if she changes her curtains one day, it'll go fine. Now, Whitby's a very special place to me. It's where I got married to a Wallace, my wife Danielle. That's where we got married. So, nice, happy memories of Whitby. Whitby's a beautiful place if you haven't been before. Definitely go to Whitby. Very calm. It's like a magical place, I think. I think it's built on some kind of magnetic tectonic plates that just relax you or something. Everything moves slowly. Everyone's lovely and friendly. Very calm and very peaceful. I love Whitby. One of my favourite photos of all time actually got taken in Whitby and the photographer was going around with me and Danielle, and he was like, okay, now put your hands in your pockets and look off in the distance. Okay, now look into each other's eyes. And he said, okay, now Dean, if you could lovingly put your hand up to Danielle's face. It's funny. Anyway, painting Whitby today. Now the first painting came out rather well. I liked it. We'll be sending this today. I'm working my way through the commissions, doing well with them. If you want something painted, especially for you, then do get in touch and yeah, paint you a nice pretty picture. Now my prices are about to go up. Every financial year my prices do go up. Just as my time becomes more and more valuable and my equipment improves and I'm spending more time on the paintings. At first I was just like, nah, it's a mountain, could be a triangle. But now it's like, okay, let's take your time. This is important. It's for someone that wants to hang it up in their home. So a lot of care goes into it. A lot of my time goes into it. So the prices do go up every year. And it's April very soon. Is it tomorrow? Saturday. So, hey, if you want to lock in the price of my old pricing structure, then just let me know now. And you don't have to order it until like November if you want. You can order something for Christmas. But lock me in if you want something painted, because the prices will be going up very, very soon. The mountain endurance range is going very well. 500 sales plus now, so such an honor to think that my work is in 500 homes across the UK. That's just in the UK as well. My goodness, my God in heaven. But yeah, 500 sales, they're still going strong. If you want to pick up your free print and just cover postage and packing, just go to scenescapeshopart.com where you can pick your favorite of 6 mountain endurance prints, and may it be a reminder forever of the strength that you hold in your soul. Alright, that's it I think. It's Coffee Break Thursday. You know what to do. Pop that kettle on, make yourself a cup of coffee, put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers.